Hello everyone. In this video, we'll test if devices within the same VLAN can communicate with each other. This is called same VLAN ping or basic inter-VLAN communication. Let's start by creating VLAN 10 on the switch and naming it sales. Now, let's assign fast Ethernet 0/1 and fast Ethernet 0/2 to VLAN 10. These are the ports where PC0 and PC1 are connected. Now, let's proceed to PC0 desktop. Open the IP configuration and assign the IP address and subnet mask of the PC0. And then in PC1's desktop, open the IP configuration and assign the IP address and subnet mask. Now, it's time to test if the two PCs can communicate within the same VLAN. Open the command prompt on PC1 and type ping 10.128.1.11. And that's it. We've configured and verified that the same VLAN can communicate.